guys, today I am back with another video of English grammar. Our today's topic is identification of functions. In this chapter, you will have to identify the functions or you will have some question types and you will have to respond to the cues which are given to you. What do you have to do in this chapter? You will have to complete the sentences which are given to you by using the expression or the function which is given to you in the bracket. Or else you may also have to choose a correct function type of sentence, function type for the sentence which is given. Or you will have to complete the sentence by choosing the best option which can fit the function. Let's see the examples so I can explain the questions to you in an easier way. First is the complete the sentence question. A customer, why should I buy a power saver refrigerator? The shopkeeper, dash dash dash, showing purpose. So we have to answer it in a way that it can show the purpose. So you will be given a question like mentioned above and you will have to just write the answer. There could be many different answers in this chapter. I have written because it helps in saving more energy. But you can also write the answer like this. It will help in future savings. It will be a one time investment and then you will have less electricity consumption with this refrigerator, etc. etc. Now, the second type, you will have to identify the function in the sentence. Like, write appropriate functions from the bracket. You will have functions like this: comparing people, expressing result, expressing choice, expressing contrast. And then you will have 3 or 4 sentences like this. And then you will have to say that which function suits the first sentence best, the second sentence best, and the third sentence best. Rami is too old to sing live. It is the fourth one. Expressing contrast. It is like it is expressing a contrast. It means that she is too old and now she is not likely to sing a song live. I would rather conduct an activity than take part in it. Third, expressing choice. It means that he has a choice that he can conduct an activity or take part in it. Bolt is the fastest man in the world. First, it means comparing people. Yes, it compares all the world's people with Bolt, and so it is written that comparing people is used here. Now select the correct option. It will be like an MCQ. A customer, why should I buy a power saver air conditioner? A shopkeeper, dash dash dash, showing purpose. A, you should buy power saver so that you can save power using air conditioner. B, you should buy power saver as it can save power using air conditioner. C, you should buy power saver because it can save power using air conditioner. And D, power saver can save power so you should buy power saver. Now you have to show a purpose, and so which sentence of all 4 sentences suits this function given in the bracket the best? A. A suits best when we have to show the purpose. You should buy power saver so that you can save power using air conditioner. So that will be our answer. Now let's move up to the exercise. Like the conjunction, this will also be a short video and this will also not have to do much in this chapter, but still it has some great mark importance in standard 10th, 11th and 12th, so I have taken this topic. First, Mr. Gopal, how is your new car? Mr. Sohil, dash dash dash, showing comparison. So we have to show comparison of things in this sentence. So our answer should be like this: my car is costlier than yours, or my car is better than yours, my car is that than that car, and so we have to just show comparison. Second, a student, sir, how do I solve this sum? The teacher, dash dash dash, showing suggestion. So the teacher gives a suggestion in this sentence. So she can say like to do this step, to do that step. I have written answer. Multiply the digits by 2. Did I get success, sir? Rohit asked. Teacher dash 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 showing correlation. So you have to show a relation with another thing which can be like a thing or a past action. You must not have worked hard. Mother, why did you stand up in the class? Son dash 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 showing reason. So now he has to give answer that why did he stand up in the class, and so he has to give a reason for it because I wanted to answer the question. Now Biren, Rohan plays well. Rahul, isn't he? Rahul dash 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 showing comparison. So he has to compare this sentence. He says, I definitely play better than him. That means that it is he is comparing himself with Rohan. So it is a comparison answer. Now the sixth one. Teacher, did he appear in the test? Student dash 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 showing contrast. Answer, though he was really ill, he appeared for the test. This is also a correlation type. Magan, who teaches well on every teacher's day? Sohan dash 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 showing supposition. So he will suggest or give an answer or a result in this sentence. My friend teaches in the class every teacher's day as if he were an expert. John, how does Smith bat in one day matches? Nick dash 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 showing comparison. Answer, many less players play as competitive as him. It is also a comparison sentence. Naresh, I love Titan's curse a lot. Mohan dash 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 expressing plan. So he will show a plan in this answer. I will read it. He is planning to read it. So it is an expressing plan answer. Meena, Arjun lost his business. Beena dash 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 showing reason. Now she will show a reason because he spent all the investments in an unwanted way. Ramlal, whom did Gandhiji worship? Sohanlal dash 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 showing habitual past. Gandhiji used to worship truth, saying truth is God. Habitual past means that it was Gandhiji's habit to pray the God named truth. How can we increase our knowledge? Asked the Manish. Teacher dash 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 showing purpose. By reading books, you can increase your knowledge. Krunal, Mayur, why did you offer C group? Mohan dash 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 showing reason. Because we did not need them. Gina, Hina, why do not walk properly? Hina dash 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 showing habitual past. I had a pain in head so I was unable to walk properly. Nike, what is your opinion about tasty Monica's food? Mike dash 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 showing supposition. She makes world class tasty food. Rohan, how are you? Rohit dash 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 showing reply. A, hi, how are you? I am fine. Why do you ask me? I am fine. How are you? And now he has to reply. So, what will he reply? Yes, he will reply B. I am fine. As he just have to show a reply. Hermit, may I enter the class? Teacher dash 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 giving command. Yes. No. Why are you late? Why are you so late? Go and stand outside the principal's cabin. In this sentence, D will be used as it is a command. Now, the bracket ones. Habitual action in past, talking about person in relation to something, showing contrast and expressing time. These are the four functions, and we have to choose functions for these three sentences. Like Gandhiji, Sardar believed in non-violence. I used to get up early when I had to appear in school exams. In spite of my warning, he played with fire. Now, like Gandhiji, Sardar believed in non-violence. So, it is like a talking about person in relation to something. Sardar Patel and Gandhiji are related with non-violence here, so talking about person in relation to something function is used in this sentence. I used to get up early when I had to appear in school exam. It is a habitual action in past, as it was an action which he was doing when the school exams were there. In spite of my warning, he played with fire. Showing contrast. This shows contrast. Showing comparison, expressing time, expressing correlation, and expressing similarity. This is not the same woman as we met at the bookstall. Not only success, but failure is also in our hands. As soon as the teacher came in, all stood up. This is expressing similarity. That this woman is not like that woman which we met at the bookstall. Second sentence expresses correlation. That the failure and success both are related with us. And expressing time. As soon as the teacher came in, all stood up. When the teacher came in at that time, so expressing time is used here. Expressing time, expressing habitual action in the past, expressing correlation, expressing result. The man was too fat to climb the ladder. My friend rushed to help me as soon as he found me in difficulty. Gandhiji used to say that truth is God. The first sentence is expressing a result, that the man was too fat, so he was unable to climb the ladder. So the result was that he could not climb the ladder. Expressing time. When his friend came, he then knew. Sorry. This means that when his friend came to help him, before that he had known that he was in difficulty. So this is expressing time here. Gandhi used to say that truth is God. This is expressing habitual action in past, as it was a habitual action which was performed by Gandhi. Gandhiji in the past. Now let's move to the next one. Expressing purpose, expressing correlation, expressing time, and showing condition. People go abroad in order that they might earn a lot. Had he taken enough care, he could have saved the mirror. No sooner did Madam call me than I rushed to her. Expressing purpose. The first sentence expresses a purpose, that to earn a lot of money, the people go to abroad. In the second sentence, there is a condition that if he had done that, he could have resulted that. And in the third, there is expressing time, as it is a time when the madam called her and then she rushed to her. Expressing action, expressing reason, expressing contrast, and expressing result. I hired a taxi so that I wanted to reach Patiala before evening. Hitting the ball for six, Dhoni completed his century. Though Helen Keller was blind, she could cross the road without anybody's help. The first one is expressing a result, a reason, that why did I hired a taxi. Second one is expressing an action, that Dhoni did this action. And the third one is expressing a contrast. Expressing choice, expressing result, talking about thing in relation to something, expressing suggestion. Shraddha acts too fearfully to oppose anyone. Harsh follows the same strategies. I would rather listen to old songs than watch a new Hindi movie. Expressing result. The first one expresses result, that she fears more. Second one is saying that these strategies are related with Harsh. And the third one is expressing choice, that he would like to do this, then do that. So this topic hand is here. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below so that you will be notified about all my future video uploads.